Today, we are going to bake the easiest pineapple cake that I've ever tried. It tastes delicious. In a pan, add 1 chopped pineapple. Then cover it with water and add half a cup of sugar. Put on maximum heat and start mixing. When it starts boiling, cover with a lid and leave it to cook for 15 minutes. Write in the comments below where you are watching us from so that I can personally thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. After boiling the mixture for 15 minutes, turn off the fire and add 40 grams of pineapple jelly. Mix well until the jelly gets absorbed. If you are still watching the video, you are loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love pineapple. Now add 400 grams of cream cheese and 200 grams of condensed milk. Mix well until smooth. These are the only ingredients we're gonna need for our dessert. It is super quick, and you will only need 1 pan. Transfer the mixture into a glass baking pan. Mine can hold up to 1 liter and 600 mils. Finally, transfer the dessert into a fridge and leave it to rest. After 4 hours, it will be super thick. And our dessert is ready! A family favorite, you'll only need a few ingredients. It's incredibly tasty. You won't stop eating it. Try it at home and come back here to let me know what you think. I really hope you liked our recipe. I'm now going to answer your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!